Hello everyone, my name is Arun. So today I am going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 10. To install Jupyter Notebook in our machine, we need to install Anaconda. So Anaconda is a popular data science platform. So to install it, go to Google and type Anaconda. Anaconda and click the first link. Most popular data science platform. Yeah, click the first link. You will redirect to the Anaconda website. So in that you can see the details about Anaconda. So now go to the product section and click on the individual edition. So there are 4 editions offered right now. So click on the individual edition right now. Here you can see you can download the Anaconda. So it will take up to installers, different type of installers. So I'm going to install it for my Windows machine. So you have to wait until the download is getting completed. So it has different. So it has so it is a open source and it has a lot of over 7,500 data science and machine learning packages. You can use it. It will come in very handy for that. Once the download is completed, you have to run the file. So it is a welcome message. Just you have to click next and you have to agree the license term. So if you are installing it just for you, you have to press just me, or if you are installing for all the users in your machine, just to press all the users. It will require admin privilege. You have to, here you can specify the file path and you don't need to change anything. Just register the Anaconda 3 as a system default Python 3.8. So you have to select that option and click install, and the installer will install the Anaconda 3 in your machine. It will take a while. Once it is completed, it will give you the complete message. Just you have to select next, and that's it. The Anaconda has been installed in your machine. It's a completion message. Once you click the finish, it will take you to the welcome page. Here if you want, you can create an Anaconda Cloud account, and you can also sign up if you are interested in this stuff. So if you want to access a Jupyter Notebook, go to the start and search for Jupyter Notebook. So you have to select it. It will open a command prompt and it will take a while for the first time, and it will open the Jupyter Notebook in your default web browser. So here mine is Google Chrome, so it is opening the home page in Google Chrome, and you have to click the new and you have to select the Python 3 notebook. It will open up the Python 3 terminal. Here you can write your Python code over here. So I'm going to show you a demo. Print welcome. So you will get the output. You have to press shift enter. Once you are done, you will get the output. So next, if you want to use the Spyder also comes in a package with Anaconda. Just to select the Spyder. So here you can write your Python code over here. I am writing print welcome. I am writing WELC welcome. Once you run it, you will get the output in the console. You have to click run. You will get the welcome message output in the console. So that's it. This is how you can install Jupyter Notebook and Spyder using Anaconda in your machine.